Scalpers have sold 50,000 NVIDIA RTX 3000 GPUs through eBay and StockX. 50,000. According to this analysis, Scalpers have raked in an estimated $61.5 million in sales with $15.2 million in profit. That is not nothing. I will tell you what, especially when you look at the volume necessary to achieve that is maybe not as big as you think. So this particular individual, this story is on PC Mag. This particular individual that ran the analysis, Michael Driscoll, he's been tracking sales on eBay using a computer script to understand the full scope of scalping, the volume. The most scalped card, not surprising, the RTX 3080, which dwarfs the other models. 3070, I guess, is not quite dwarfed, but the 3090 and the new 3060 Ti, a little bit lower in volume. 14,066 units sold of the RTX 3080. The number has shot up to, well, the total number for all models is about 40,000 units. All right, so I take that back. That's a lot of units for the secondary market for eBay. The median price for an RTX 3080, $1,300. The past week, $1,449. So the price is actually going up still. And the MSRP is $699 on that model. So it's a 2x price, which is actually, well, it's kind of held ground with those consoles as well. The new consoles are still kind of selling for close to double also. The markup, not so much on the 3090, which has a much higher starting price at $1,500. The median price there, $2,159. And the RTX 3070, it's close to double, $500 to $809. RTX 3060 from $399 to $667. But a tremendous number of units, just under 40,000 sold on eBay. Now, if you head down to the next chart, which actually tracks StockX sales, just kind of, who would have thought the sneaker resale website takes on the role of RTX reseller as well.
Yeah, they're expanding.
10,000 units sold on StockX. And as far as the comparison is concerned, it looks like you can actually earn a little bit more on StockX, at least when $2 more on the 3080, as far as the average is concerned. The other models actually looks like you can earn a little bit less. If we're just looking at averages, you're probably better off posting on eBay, though I don't know what the fee difference is on the two of them. Either way, when you combine them, it's 50,000 GPUs, Will, raking in a total of $61.5 million in sales. Secondary market sales. Wow. And NVIDIA still can't figure out how to make these fast enough. Not helping the matter as well is the 25% US tariff covering motherboards and GPUs, which has caused both vendors and scalpers to elevate the price even further.
It's insane.
Hype.
It's ridiculous.
Hype is the new currency, Will. Hype is moving markets and charts and lines. And GPUs and GameStop, and it's weird. It feels like some sort of parallel here. Sitting at home, figuring out what to do. I need a GPU or more than one. I need a trading app. I need Netflix and Domino's and DoorDash and
Xbox,
Zoom.
PS5.
Yeah, I need a PS. It's like, it's all the stuff it's all the at-home stuff